Hi everyone, I am Avadh and I design how people interact with product at 7 Square. If you have seen any of our previous videos, you already know one thing about us. We don't just build products. We build thinking, we build people, and design is a huge part of that. If you have not watched those videos yet, go check them out. You will get a sense of how we look at problems and why every pixel has a purpose. Because today's video is exactly about that. I am going to walk you through how I explore, experiment, and give you a real look at the thought process that happens before any screen is created. And by the end of this video, you will learn how to start building clean, modern designs yourself. Let's get into it. Have you ever looked at a website or an app and thought, how do they make this look so clean and effortless? The great news, you don't need to be a designer to start. There is a tool called Figma. It makes designing visual, easy, and even fun. You can work solo or collaborate with your team in real time. And the best part, it's completely free. You see, the smartest designs feel effortless because they are built on the right tools from the start. Create your new team account. Then I have added hero page. You can skip for now the collaborate section. Here you can choose the starter plan. Click new design file. This is your blank canvas. Every design starts here. Let's start with a desktop frame because that's how people actually experience a website. We'll go the layout guide. Switch to columns, add clutter, set the margins to 100, column count will be 12. This adjustment help everything stay clean and intentional as the design grows. Start with the navigation bar. Add a rectangle and resize it to match the screen width. Now, I will add some text. This can act as a logo for now. Adjust the typography. Switch the font, make it bold and resize it. Then place it inside the navigation frame. Next, I will press Shift plus A to turn this into auto layout. Auto layout helps keep things aligned and easier to manage as we add more elements. Duplicate the text. Place on one the top right and on the center. Turn the center text into input frame and rename it search for collection. Now adjust the typography and size. Resize the frame, add some color and add corner radius so it feels like a button. Next, let's add a search icon. For icons, open huge icons library. It's create a source. Look for a search icon, put auto layout and adjust its size according to the frame. Let's add a color to the frame. Some strokes to make it look clean. Now let's make a copy and turn into a user icon. Add some text next to it, hey Avadh, and apply auto layout so everything stay grouped. Next, add a drop down icon. Change the other text into a big icon. Then apply auto layout to both so they stay aligned. Resize them slightly to keep the navigation clean and balanced. Now add some navigation to text so users know where to go. Center align it and turn the next into uppercase for better visibility. Moving on to the hero section. Add a rectangle and place text inside it. Resize the text, turn the section into a frame and add some dummy content. Turn this explore more text into a frame. Add padding, corner radius and bit of colors so it stands out. Add a spacing between the title, content and the button to keep the UI clean and easy to scan. Finally, duplicate the entire hero section and make sure both sections will the container properly. Now, let's add some images to the design. We can find them on icons code. This one suits well with our design. Copy the image and paste into the frame. Repeat the same step for the rest of the sections. Necessary content from the frame. Resize both frames. Then adjust the image and align it next to the hero section. Now, take a final pass through the desktop frame. Make sure everything is clean, aligned, and well structured. Now let's switch to the mobile frame. Copy the navigation from the desktop screen and paste it here. Since auto layout was set earlier, it adjusts easily for mobile. This saves time and keeps everything consistent across screens. For the mobile screen, let's use a burger menu icon. Now, adjust the navigation text so it fits the mobile layout better. Make a copy of the mobile frame and add the hero section content to it. Align the height and adjust the text sizes so everything feels natural and not cluttered. Finally, add the image and resize it to the mobile frame. Now, let's switch to prototyping. Create a flow from the menu button to the next and another one back to the first screen. This helps test the navigation and see how the screens connect. Finally, share your design with anyone, teammates, clients, or friends. Set permissions to view or edit. Collaboration lets you refine your design and see what actually works. Real designer makes sharing and iterating easy. That's the unseen brilliance behind smooth UI. And that's it. You now know how to set up Figma. Use frames, templates, and layouts. Add text, visuals, buttons, and icons. Build prototypes and collaborate. Remember, UI isn't just about looking good. It's about guiding users, building trust, and making interactions effortless. Every thoughtful choice, even tiny ones, shows the skill of the designer behind it. If you found this helpful and wants to learn more about design, Figma, and how we build products at 7 Square, make sure to subscribe. We are just getting started and there is a lot more we want to share with you.